Hello everyone, my name is Natsumi Kawamae. I'm majoring in biomedical sciences and I just turned senior from this April. I made a video about tips for making a presentation. I've ever made such slides, but this is a newer version, that's why it's version 2.0. So, if you have a time or if you have some troubles with making a presentation, please watch this video and use these ways. Okay, let's start it. It's outline of this video. Firstly, I will talk about what presentation is, and I will tell you 5 tips for making a presentation when you make a presentation, especially slides. Finally, I will tell you the secrets for improving your design. Then you will be able to make a wonderful presentation. So, first one, what is presentation? According to Japan Presentation Association, it is a gift for audience, or it is to communicate your opinion using words and nonverbal means. Or, according to Pepnavi, presentation is to change audience's minds. It is quite important, I think. So don't forget that when you make a presentation. And let's talk about evaluation. It is common evaluation cited from English for Skills and Inquiry-Based Learning Association. There are 3 categories: delivery, contents, and performance. Delivery includes volume, speed, size, pronunciation, and gestures. Contents means that whether your presentation includes originality, evidence, or attracts audience or not. Also, it's important whether your presentation is consistent and constituted clearly. Performance means preparation in the Q&A and so on. And presentation is consisted from these 3 parts. Maybe almost of you know that. It's important and basic style. There are also KISS and PREP as the presentation style. So if you are interested in them, please check it later. Okay, that's all of what presentation is. Next, I will tell you 5 tips for making a presentation. These are based from my experiences and I picked up 5 tips that students tend to fail. These are 5 tips, so let's check them from the top. The first, follow 7 to 1 rule. It shows the rate of sparing time for making a presentation. The employee of Dentsu told me that. Firstly, spend 70% for planning your presentation. I think it means contents of presentation is the most important. Second, spend 20% for making slides. Beautiful and neat slides help audiences understanding. And finally, spend 10% for practice. If you practice before giving a presentation, you can notice many things that you've never ever noticed. Second, clarify the purpose. Making the purpose clear is essential. It seems easy, but few people do it. So keep in mind to clarify the purpose. Third, show one message per one slide. Many of students make slides that are filled by many words and pictures. It is not clear and it doesn't help their understanding. So, when you make a slide, show one message per one slide. Number 4. Insert pictures and diagrams. Pictures and diagrams help to tell a message to the audience. Even if it's difficult to understand just by writing, it will be easy to understand by putting pictures and diagrams, and they can understand the message at a glance. 5. Use phrases. This is the example slide to show how to use phrases. By using phrases, the audience can focus on the important parts. Yes, so that these were 5 tips for making a presentation. Finally, I will tell you the secrets for improving your design. I love to design the presentation slides, but when I was freshman, I was not good at designing very well. But someday, I met a man who works in Dentsu, which is famous for advertising agency. He told me that secrets. It is imitating. It's not a plagiarism, so I will tell you the detail at the next slide. Firstly, find your favorite things, such as color, layout, icon, graph title, and so on. Then imitate by what you have, such as free icon, photos, and free diagrams of PowerPoint. Yeah, that's all. It's really simple and easy, isn't it? These are one of my favorite models of design. We're surrounded by super good design in daily life, such as website, magazine, flyer, book, and so on. We all have great possibility to imitate and reproduce these designs by what you have. You all can try. I promise you that you can design slides well. In summary, presentation is to change audiences' minds. While you make a presentation, please note that how do you want to change their minds? And how do you make it for helping their understanding? To help understanding, improving your design is also effective, so please try it away. The most important thing is to imagine your audience. Thank you for watching. I hope all of you make a sophisticated presentation. Good luck with your presentation. Bye.